With dozens of personal finance apps on the market, picking the wrong one leads right back to square one. Untracked spending, missed saving goals, and money slipping through the cracks. In this video, we're breaking down the 6 best budgeting apps. We'll cover exact pricing, how each app actually handles your money, the pros and cons, and most importantly, which one fits specifically your financial style. Whether you're drowning in debt, managing finances with your partner, or just want to know how much save to spend cash you have right now, one of the 6 is built for you. Before we jump in, hit that like button and subscribe to stay ahead on your personal finance journey. Let's dive in. Let's start with a heavy hitter, YNAB, short for You Need a Budget. If you ever tried the classic paper envelope system, where you put physical cash into labeled envelopes for rent, groceries, and fun, You Need a Budget is the modern digital version of that, connected straight to your bank accounts. Most of the budgeting apps are reactive. You spend money, the app logs it, and at the end of the month, it gives you a colorful pie chart showing where you messed up. You Need a Budget operates on one core rule: give every dollar a job. The second a paycheck lands in your bank account, you assign every single dollar to a category until your unallocated balance reaches exactly zero. And if you use credit cards, this is where You Need a Budget shines over almost every competitor. When you spend $50 on groceries using a credit card, You Need a Budget automatically moves $50 out of your grocery category and transfer it straight into your credit card payment category. When your statement arrives, the cash is already waiting there to pay it off in full, meaning zero surprise debt. Plus, if life happens and you overspend in one area, say dining out, YNAB's rule number 3, roll with the punches, lets you drag and drop money from your vacation or shopping category to cover it on the fly. No broken budget guilt, just an accurate picture of your money. Pricing-wise, You Need a Budget costs $14.99 month to month or $109 billed annually, which breaks down to $9.08 a month and saves you about $71 a year. Now, why do they give you a 34-day free trial instead of the standard 30? So you can experience a full calendar month-end rollover and see how unspent cash rolls over into the next month, all without entering a credit card upfront. And if you're a college student with a verified .edu email, you get a full year completely free. It is the priciest app on our list, but here is the secret hack most people miss. You Need a Budget together. A single paid subscription lets you share your account with up to 5 family members or partners, giving each person their own private budget or shared household view. Split that $109 annual fee across the household, and it costs under $19 per person per year. Now here's the real breakdown. You Need a Budget claims the average new user saves $600 in their first month and over $6,000 in their first year. If you want to stop floating credit card debt or break the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, it offers unmatched behavioral results. Expect a real learning curve. Setting up your category targets and building the habit will take 1 to 2 hours during your first week. And if you just want a passive set it and forget it dashboard, this will feel like overkill. You Need a Budget is for anyone ready to get hands-on, stop floating credit card debt, and take the absolute control over where their money goes. App number 2 is Monarch Money. And if you are managing money with a partner or you were left stranded when Intuit shut down Mint, this is hands down the cleanest financial dashboard on the market today. While You Need a Budget forces you into a strict zero-based system, Monarch takes a broader, more flexible approach. It acts as a central command center for your entire financial life, combining monthly budget tracking, credit card spending, home equity, investments, and net worth into one unified screen. What makes Monarch truly stand out are these 3 specific features most competitors miss. First, collaborative household budgeting. Monarch lets you invite a spouse or partner to your account at zero extra cost. You both get individual logins, separate notifications, and custom views, but share one synced household view. Second, the triple aggregator engine. Nothing ruins a budgeting app faster than broken bank connections. Monarch connects through Plate, Amex, and Finicity. If your credit union stops syncing through Plate, you can switch your connection to Amex or Finicity in 2 clicks right inside your app settings. And third, complete asset tracking. It connects directly with Zillow to track your home's value, tracks your car's depreciation by VIN, and syncs your investment accounts so your net worth updates automatically. Pricing-wise, Monarch costs $14.99 month-to-month or $99.99 billed annually, which works out to $8.33 a month and saves you about $80 a year compared to paying monthly. You get a 7-day free trial directly on their site, though they frequently run 30-day trial promo codes, so keep an eye out for those. And if you're migrating from Mint or you need a budget, Monarch built a one-click CSV importer that brings over years of your spending data and category trends without losing a bit. Let's look at the bottom line. It is 100% ad-free, meaning no spam credit card recommendations cluttering your feed. You get joint partner access included in the base price, best-in-class bank sync stability, and an automated picture of your total net worth. There is no perpetual free tier, and if you need strict, rigid rules to stop impulse spending, its flexible category targets might feel a bit too lenient. Monarch Money is the absolute best choice for couples, families, and anyone who wants an elegant, all-in-one financial home base without paying for 2 separate subscriptions. App number 3 is Rocket Money. And while the first 2 apps on our list focus on building budgeting habits, Rocket Money is built for one main goal: finding hidden leaks in your cash flow and cutting unnecessary expenses on autopilot. If you suspect you're losing $50 to $100 every month on forgotten streaming services, gym memberships you don't use, or overpriced internet bills, this is the lowest friction app on the list. What makes Rocket Money famous is its subscription concierge. The moment you connect your bank accounts, its algorithm scans your transaction history and lists every single recurring bill in one place. If you see a subscription you don't want, you don't even have to log in into that provider's website or sit on hold with customer service. If you're on the premium plan, you tap Cancel for Me, and Rocket Money's concierge team handles the paperwork and chat requests to cancel the subscription on your behalf. They also offer an automated bill negotiation service for major cable, phone, and internet providers like Comcast, AT&T, and Spectrum. Their team contacts your provider to negotiate promotional discounts and credit retention offers. Now here is how the pricing works, and you need to pay attention to the math. Rocket Money has a 100% free plan that lets you connect unlimited accounts, track your credit score, and scan for subscriptions. However, if you want unlimited custom budget categories, real-time syncing, and concierge cancellations, you need a premium. Premium uses a unique choose what you pay sliding scale ranging between $7 and $14 a month. Everyone gets the exact same features regardless of where you set the slider. For bill negotiations, that is a separate performance-based service available on both free and paid plans. Rocket Money takes 35 to 60% of your first year savings, and you choose your fee percentage before they start. Here is a real example. If Rocket Money lowers your internet bill from $120 a month down to $95, they just saved you $300 for the year. If you picked a 40% fee, they take $120 upfront, and you keep $180 in net profit in year 1. If they fail to lower your bill, you pay $0. Now let's look at the bottom line. The free tier is genuinely useful for finding forgotten charges. The concierge subscription cancellation saves you hours of customer service headaches, and bill negotiations gives you real, immediate cash flow wins. The free plan restricts you to only 2 custom budget categories. The bill negotiation cut can feel steep if you save a large amount, And it isn't designed for deep, zero-based financial planning like you need a budget. Rocket Money is the best choice for busy people who want to trim hidden expenses, lower recurring bills, and put money back into their pocket without doing manual entry every single day. App number 4 is Quicken Simplifi. And if you want automated bank syncing and cash flow tracking without paying $80 to $100 a year, this is the best value premium option on our list. While apps like You Need a Budget and Monarch come in at around $100 annually, Quicken Simplifi starts at a promotional rate of $3.99 a month, billed annually at $47.88 for your first year. Now here's the catch to keep in mind. There is no month-to-month option, it is annual billing only. And when your subscription renews after year 1, it resets to the standard rate of $5.99 a month or $71.88 a year. Set a calendar reminder before month 12 so that renewal price jump doesn't catch you by surprise. Simplifi also doesn't have a traditional free trial. Instead, they back every subscription with a 30-day money-back guarantee. You pay upfront, test your bank connections on either the mobile app or your desktop browser, and if it's not a fit within 30 days, you get a full refund through customer support. Where Simplifi really wins is its spend and plan methodology. Instead of forcing you to assign every single dollar to a strict envelope, Simplifi automatically calculates 3 numbers: your incoming income, your fixed bills, and your monthly savings goals. It subtracts your bills and savings from your income and gives you one dynamic real-time number you're available to spend cash for the month. As you swipe your debit or credit card, that spending allowance ticks down automatically. Even better, it projects your account balances up to 30 days into the future, warning you if an upcoming bill risks triggering an overdraft fee. They also have a fantastic feature called watch lists. Think of it as a speedometer for your problem spending habits. If you don't want to budget every single category, but you know you overspend on specific things like dining out, Amazon purchases, or Target runs, you can create a watch list target just for those vendors. Simplifi alerts you when you get close to your limit without messing up the rest of your budget. Now let's take a look at the bottom line. It is easily one of the best value picks for a bank-linked budgeting at under $48 for year 1. The spending plan is flexible and low stress. Custom watch lists keep problem habits in check. Cash flow projections prevent overdrafts, and it includes both web and mobile access with live customer support. The cons: there is no monthly billing plan, there is no permanent free tier, and the price jumps by about $24 upon renewal. Quicken Simplifi is the best choice for budgeters who want an affordable, feature-packed app that tracks cash flow and savings targets without the exhaustion of strict zero-based budgeting. App number 5 is EveryDollar. And if you're a follower of radio host Dave Ramsey, or you want a clean, completely free, zero-based budgeting app without paying a subscription, this is the most popular option in that category. EveryDollar is built around a strict zero-based framework. Income minus expenses must equal 0. Before the month even begins, you assign every dollar of expected income to a specific category, giving you that signature green check mark on screen that says it's an EveryDollar budget. Where EveryDollar is unique compared to almost every other app on this list is its pricing structure. EveryDollar has a 100% free plan that isn't just a limited trial, it is a fully functional zero-based budget builder. You get unlimited custom categories, split transactions, and dead goal tracking for $0 forever. The only trade-off: you must enter every single purchase into the app by hand. Now, for many budgeters, manual entry is actually a feature, not a bug, because typing in your grocery receipt in the parking lot keeps you intensely aware of your spending before bad habits take over. However, if you want automatic bank connections so transactions stream in from your your checking account automatically, unit EveryDollar Premium. Premium costs $79.99 a year, which works out to about $6.67 a month. If you choose to pay month-to-month instead, it costs a steep $17.99 a month, so going annual saves you roughly $136 a year. You also get a 14-day free trial to test out the automatic bank syncing before committing. Premium also unlocks two incredible features: paycheck planning, which maps out which bills are paid by paycheck number 1 versus paycheck number 2, so you don't run out of cash mid-month, and syncing funds, which helps you save up gradually for big upcoming expenses like Christmas or car repairs. Now let's get to the bottom line. The pros: the free version is one of the best no-cost, zero-based tools available. The layout is clean and intuitive, the paycheck planner prevents cash flow time and errors, and it integrates seamlessly if you are following Ramsey's baby steps to pay off debt. The cons: bank account syncing is locked behind the $79.99 premium paywall, the month-to-month price is high, and it lacks investment tracking or net worth tools found in apps like Monarch. All in all, EveryDollar is the best choice for beginners, Ramsey fans, and disciplined budgeters who want a clean, zero-based tracker, either completely free with manual entry or automated for $80 a year. And finally, the app number 6 is PocketGuard. And if you're someone who gets overwhelmed by complex category charts, or you frequently catch yourself asking, can I actually afford to buy this right now? PocketGuard is designed to give you a single automated answer. Where most budgeting apps force you to manage dozens of digital envelopes, PocketGuard cuts straight to the point with its signature feature, the In My Pocket figure. It connects to your bank accounts and automatically calculates a real-time spending allowance using a simple formula. It takes your total available cash, subtracts your upcoming bills, deducts your savings goals, and subtracts your budgeted necessities. Wherever numbers left over is your In My Pocket balance, showing you exactly how much cash you can spend today, this week, or this month without ruining your budget or missing rent. Now let's talk about the pricing and tiers, because PocketGuard has one major advantage no other app on this list offers. PocketGuard has a free plan, but it is extremely limited, capping you at just 2 linked bank accounts and 2 custom categories, making it mostly a trial run to test the interface. To unlock unlimited accounts and categories, you need PocketGuard Plus. Plus costs $12.99 month-to-month or $74.99 billed annually, which breaks down to $6.25 a month and saves you about $80 a year compared to paying monthly. You also get a 7-day free trial to test all premium features. But here is the standout feature for anyone who hates monthly subscriptions. PocketGuard offers $149.99 lifetime membership. Pay that one-time fee and you get full access to PocketGuard Plus forever, with 0 recurring monthly or annual charges. If you use the app for just 2 years, the one-time fee completely pays for itself compared to the annual plan. Pro tip: if you don't see the lifetime option on their main website, check the mobile app settings or watch for in-app promotional pop-ups. In addition to save to spend tracking, PocketGuard Plus includes a robust debt payoff planner. It syncs your credit cards and loans, lets you choose between the debt avalanche or debt snowball methods, and calculates your exact debt-free date as you make extra payments. Now we're ready for the bottom line. The pros: the In My Pocket formula stops impulse overspending instantly. The lifetime pass option is a massive money saver in a world full of recurring subscriptions, and the built-in debt payoff planner gives you a clear path out of debt. The cons: the free version is too restrictive for everyday use. The app interface can feel slightly busy on smaller screens, and remember to cancel your 7-day free trial at least 24 hours before it ends if you decide not to keep it. PocketGuard is the best choice for impulse overspenders who want simple daily spending allowance, and for anyone who's looking for a powerful budgeting budgeting tool with a single lifetime payment option. To summarize all the apps, if you want automation, grab Rocket Money or PocketGuard. If you want strict zero-based budgeting, go with YNAB budget or EveryDollar. And if you want the best value for under $50, pick Quicken Simplifi. Now, if you want 8 immediate ways to lower your bills, I'll leave a link down below for top 8 money-saving hacks for 2026. I've tested all of them. Don't forget to subscribe. It was Mary with you, and I'll see you in the next video.